life just chaos settling. My eyes are glass and red again, and I'm just so damn happy I could cry. I walked on cold, cold pavement. You were asleep when I came in, and you woke up when we told you God until the room was bright. It's a feeling so visceral. All the people I used to know, they're used to their bad blood, it's just things like. It's okay, not being okay. Broken's just a word that the weaker folks say. This house so quiet, your voice is so kind, a stubborn reminder of the time I'm leaving behind. The reasons I'm ruined, I wish I could let you in, but I'm ashamed of who I am. Hard times in deep of western wood, I'm going back where I belong. I've got no back. I'm okay, broken is just a word that the weaker folks say. This horse is so quiet, the voice is so kind, a stubborn reminder of the times I'm leaving behind. Love and damn involves me, those are reasons I'm ruined. I wish I could let you in, but I'm ashamed of who I am. Hard time in deep of western mud, I'm going back to where I belong and let no. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Saw Things again with you with a new song from Bryan called No Bad Blood. This is my take on it. It's not exactly the same, but it's fairly close. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, a capo on the 3rd fret. Okay, so it starts off with the intro chord sequence, as far as I could tell, is basically a G chord. Okay, but I'm playing it like this. Playing the normal G shape here, 3rd fret bottom of the string from the capo, 2nd fret on the 5th string, but I'm actually putting my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string and leaving the top string open. Okay, okay, so it's a sort of G6. Okay, the 2nd chord is a form of C, but it's played the same shape. What I'm doing is keeping the same shape. Okay, but I'm moving this finger up to the 8th fret from the capo, 11th fret in real life. So it's the 11th fret in real life or 8th fret up from the capo, and it's a form of C. Okay, so it's back to the G again, okay, and then it goes again up to the C again, back to the G, and then to an E minor 7th. So I'm keeping that finger on that 3rd fret of the 2nd string, but making an E minor shape with these two fingers. 2nd fret from the capo on the 5th string and the 4th string. All 6 strings, E minor 7th, okay. And then just repeats that whole intro. So the intro is slowly is this. Repeat. And then he comes in with the vocals. Life is just chaos. And chaos goes back to the G. Okay. So the actual intro itself, if you want some second guitar, okay, it does this. And it just repeats that twice, okay. So what we're doing there, right, so I'm playing this shape, I'm playing an open 4th string, 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string and 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd string. Just doing the 4th string down to the 2nd string there. Just those 3 strings, 4, 3 and 2. And then the second one is a bar on the first 2 strings on the 3rd fret and an open 3rd string. So you go, right? So that's 4th string open, 4th fret on the 3rd string and 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Just those 3 strings, 4, 3 and 2. And the second bit is a double stop on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Open 3rd string, those 3 strings, 3, 2, 1. So it's okay. Then what we do is this. It's a hammer from the 3rd fret of the 2nd string to the 5th fret of the 2nd string, then back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, then the 4th fret of the 3rd, and then back to the 3rd fret of the 2nd. So 3 to 5 hammer up on the 2nd string, back to the 3rd on the 2nd string, 4th on the 3rd, back to the 3rd on the 2nd. So now you've got okay. Now this time you do that, but again you hammer up from 3 to 5, exactly to before, but instead of going back to that one, you go back down to the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So it's second time. The first time it's, and the second time is this. Okay. So far. So here we go. Then what you do is a slide from 4 on the 3rd string to the 2nd on the 3rd string, then the open 3rd. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, then you go to the 2nd on the 4th, and slide it up to the 5th on the 4th. Okay, so now you've got the whole first part is okay, then what you do is this. So from the 5th on the 4th you go up to the 7 on the 4th, slide it down to the 5th, then go to the 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, and that's it. And you just repeat the whole thing twice, okay? So, slowly. Okay? You just repeat the whole thing. And then the rhythm for that, as I was just showing you, is right? Life's just chaos settling, and it's exactly the same as the intro. False pavement. You were asleep when I walked in. You walked and I talked to God until the room was bright. Exactly the same chord sequence as the intro. Okay. Then we go into another verse. It's feeling so visceral. There are people I used to know. There ain't no bad blood, it's just how things lie. So, 2 verses, exactly the same chord sequence as the intro, okay? Then we go to the chorus, and then it sits on that for a while, that last E minor, at the end of the second verse, where it goes, ain't no bad blood, it's just how things lie. Can do that if you like as well. Hammer that first finger on and off if you want to. Okay, then the chorus kicks in, and it's basically a C chord. I'm playing a 4-fingered C, C with G in the bass, so a C chord, but this third finger is up to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string, and pinky is playing the 3rd fret on the 5th string. All 6 strings. You can play straightforward C if you want, but he plays this shape as well, C with G in the bass, okay? So it's coming out of the verse, so it ends up on that E minor 7th. It goes, I'm okay, no, being okay. So that sequence is the C with G in the bass, to a G chord, to a D chord, to an E minor. And it does that 3 times, I think. So it's I'm okay, no, being okay. And I'm broken, just a word that the weaker folks say. This house is so quiet, voice is so kind, stubborn reminder of the times I'm leaving behind. So it's actually 4 times. So that's 4 times E minor, C to G, to G, D to E minor, 4 times. So it's I'm okay, no, being okay. Broken's just a word that the weaker folks say. This house is so quiet, your voice is so kind, stubborn reminder of the time I stop on the D, stop on the D, leaving behind, and then it's the intro again. Just a 1 this time. Then we're into another verse. Love and damn endorphins are the reasons I'm ruined. I wish I could let you in, but I'm ashamed of who I am. It's slightly different. This verse is slightly different. So first starts off the same. Love and damn endorphins are the reason I'm ruined. I wish I could let you in, but I'm ashamed of who I am. I think that's what he's playing there, okay? So the first bit's the same. Love and damn endorphins. So up to the C and back to the G, up to the C, back to the G. Yeah. But this time he plays a sort of a D chord. It's the same chord. It's the C and the G and the C that we've been playing, just up 2 frets from the C. So I'm now on the 10th fret from the capo. Okay, I think that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 10 frets from the capo, or 13th fret in real life, or 10th fret from the capo, and it's the same shape as the G and the C, and it's some form of D, okay? And that's where it goes on that verse, where it goes, love and endorphins are the reason I'm doing. I wish I could let you in, but I'm ashamed of who I am. So that's that D, C, E minor. Then it just does a strum, hard times in D, and up to da da da, but I've got no bad blood. Does that twice, so it's that D, C, E minor, no bad blood, no bad blood. Then it does the chorus again. I'm okay, no, being okay. I'm broken, just a word that we can float to say. This house is so quiet, your voice is so kind. A stubborn reminder of the times I'm leaving behind. Then the intro chords again. and that last verse again. Love and endorphins are a reason I'm wearing. I wish I could let you in, but I guess not. And then there's a quiet one. Hard times in Northern with some more. Going back to where I belong, but I got end of song. So basically it repeats on the end of the song, it just repeats the last two verses that you did. Okay, exactly the same to play. Okay, as far as I can tell, it's not exactly the same. Occasionally he goes right up here. I think he's playing some form of E minor, but it's right up here. So, but you might as well just play this one, the C chord, okay? Because it's very similar to that. So I'd stick to that rather than going away up here. So, okay, so there you have it. So hopefully that helps you play that song. Not overly difficult, but you obviously need another guitar to play the intro, but or a looper pedal. Okay, thanks very much for watching, listening. See you soon. Bye.